I am Nidhi Panchal. I am student of Ujjain Engineering College, Ujjain Mechanical Branch. My topic is processes improvements through digitalization. So, first is digitalization in material processing. In the material business, for improving and creating new operating models, it means if we want to improve initially the material business, we have to improving and creating first new operating models, because as we know, digital transformation is the essential step, and it is the process of implementing the use of data technologies. So it is very interesting to know that today's leading organizations are using mechanic machine learning based tools to automate decision processes, and they are starting to experiment with more advanced use of artificial intelligence for digital transformation. So let's look some examples of how digitalization creating value. First is personalizing customer service. The potential to improve customer service while lowering costs or make this one of the most exciting areas of opportunity. By combining historical customer service data, natural language processing, and algorithms that continuously learn from interactions, customers can ask questions and get high quality answers. It improves the quality of service by learning from historical data. Next, second is improving customer loyalty and retention. Companies can mine customer actions, transactions, and social sentiment data to identify customers who are at high risk of leaving, combined with profitability data. This allows organizations to optimize next best action strategies and personalize the end to end customer experience. Then, third is hiring the right people. Corporate job openings pulls in about 250 resumes apiece, and over half surveyed recruiters say shortlisting qualified candidates is the most difficult part of their job. Software quickly sifts through thousands of job applications and shortlists candidates who have the credentials that are most likely to achieve success at the company. If I say this is in a simple way, then it helps in shortlisting of candidates and recruitment process of any organization. Then now fourth is automating finance. It helps to handles the exceptions in financial processes by monitoring exciting processes and learning to recognize different situations. Artificial intelligence significantly increases the number of invoices that can be matched automatically. This lets organizations reduce the amount of outsourced to service centers and frees up finance staff to focus on strategic tasks. Then have a look on some benefits of digitalization. So benefits: reduced costs of operations, meet overshifting customer demands, increase productivity, then very important better customer experience, greater flexibility and agility. And here are some essential technologies to focus, such as robotic automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, source to pay technologies, and smart sensors. Now we must have to look the basic ways to improve process, like reduce resources in individual processing of materials, reduce errors to improve productivity, meet or exceed expectations of downstream customers, make the process more satisfying and safe for the worker or operator. Then it is very important to know The conclusion of this topic: continuous improvement is a very important component of total quality management. As every product or service is the outcome of a process, the effective way to improve quality is to improve the process used to build the product. We must also ensure that the material processing does not have any type of demerits for a product, customers, and organization. Through digitalizing process, we can improve processing of material using various technologies result in increased productivity of organization. That's all. And thank you and have a nice day.